problem here is another example of the triangle sum theorem, where I know that each of the angles in the triangle will sum to 180 degrees. But instead of just having plain numbers right here, I have a little bit of algebra involved. So I'm going to solve an equation in order to find out what my variable x is. So I'm going to start by just writing down the angles. 2x plus 11 plus 2x plus 15. And I note that this little red box in here, that's 90 degrees, so this angle W must be 90 degrees. And all of that has to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to start by combining my x terms. I've got 2x and 2x. That's 4x. And then I've got 11 and 15 and 90. And that's 116. So all of that equals 180. And after we've combined this, we've turned this from this long string of math into just a two-step equation where I'm going to subtract 116 from both sides. Cross that out, bring down my 4x, bring down the equal sign. 180 minus 116 is 64. Then I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 4 to isolate my variable. So these cross out, x comes down. 64 divided by 4 is 16. Now, I'd like to be done with this problem right now, but I'm not finished because it doesn't ask me what the value of x is. It asks me what each of these angles, what their measure is. So the first one, the measure of WXY, that's WXY, 2x plus 15. So I'm going to take this expression and I'm going to substitute the 16 in for x. 2 times 16 plus 15. And then when I do the math, I get that it's 47 degrees. I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. WYX is 2x plus 11. So I'm going to put 16 in for x, so 2 times 16 plus 11. And when I do that math, I get 43 degrees.